Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Pinterest feed for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is what? Yes, you're right, Pinterest feed. You want to click sign up for free and sign up with a Facebook or Gmail or normal email, and then just click login. When you will have it, you will be here in applications and you want to write here Pinterest. You're gonna see it here, Pinterest feed. You want to create a widget. And when you will get it, you can choose between Pinterest profile, boards gallery, pins gallery. I really like the Pinterest profile, by the way. Let's continue with the template. Just add here your profile and just boards, the URLs. I will leave it like this because this is just a tutorial. Layout and change the style if you want the colors. Then just click save. Now you have the code, but before that, you need to choose which plan you want. You can go with a light one if you're starting out, but if you got more views, like 5,000 views or 50,000 views, go with the pro or basic version. Now let's go to page builder, HTML, add HTML, save HTML and click save. And now we will be able to see Pinterest feed. Voila, here we got it. Wonderful, perfect Pinterest feed for your site in BigCommerce. And that's it. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Also, if you want to check out other apps in Placeit, check also definitely basic or pro pack. You will have like 73 applications that you can use for BigCommerce, and that's it. So yeah, thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.